Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.system.com. Making this small video about Bitcoin. All right, so yeah, Bitcoin dropped a lot, and everybody is so surprised, but I don't know why, because I made the chart a long time ago. Let me show it to you one by one. So this is the monthly chart I made in August 2005, 23rd August, right? This is a monthly chart, and that was the top. It's 124,422. 124,422. I said maybe the wave 3 is finished here because wave subwaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are done. And if that's so, then it's going to drop for wave 4 into this area of the last wave 4, or just above this wave 1. And what happened to this chart at that time? I made the chart recorded in November. They just started to drop already, right? Now, at the same time, in August, I made the weekly chart also. This is how the weekly chart was. The wave 3 is ending here, and wave 4 need to be coming down here, and the target, these white lines. Right? So this is my chart in August 2024. And this thing started to drop like this, right? And the target again, 38% here, 50% is right around here where these white lines are. So I said, well, this is going to come down here, and look what happened. Now it came and hit the TF. Now at that time, I made another chart. Why? Because usually what happens is that wave 4 usually produce a correction called flat, or worse, triangle. Hardly you will see a zigzag correction here, because zigzag correction most of the time is in wave 2. Now, what the heck is wave? Zigzag correction is like this. A and B and C is a steep drop, and the B wave is only 38% of A, and then it drops, and A equals C, something like that, right? So this is a zigzag, and usually it is a characteristic of wave 2, not wave 4. Wave 4, like I said, that flat corrections, regular, irregular, blah, 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 or triangles. But what happened, and then like this one, for example, 1, 2, 3, and this is wave 4, A, B, C, something like that, and then it goes for wave 5. So this is how wave 4 comes. And then wave 2 is like, it's a steep correction for, as like a zigzag correction, usually, right? But what happened here is just the opposite. So let me go back there again. So when I saw this, I said, okay, this could be A, then we might be going back up here into this area, 61 to 78% for B, and then come down here for these white lines into this area for C. And wave 4 will be finished here. Instead, what happened is that at that time, you see, the price was touching 38% for zigzag, and right from there, they dropped. The price dropped, and we are right here, very close to my target. Right now, I just recorded this chart a little while ago on 4th February 2026. Now, very important to understand that wave 4 cannot go into the territory of wave 1. Now, if you look at the monthly chart right now, wave 1 is right there, and it's finished almost like the high of this, either this or this. I'll take this one for safety. So 66,857, right? And that white line you can see here on a weekly chart is this, the second, the above. That's what it is, 58. Yeah. And we are not too far from there, very, very close. And if it is wave 4, it cannot go into the territory of wave 1. Not this wave 1, the other wave 1. This is the wave 1 of wave 3, by the way, right? Black count. So this blue count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing wave 4. Oh, sorry, wave 3, right? This one. So this is the area. This is the area now that it will bounce. It should bounce, right? It should bounce and then go beyond, above wave, the high of wave 3, for wave 5. So that would be, this thing is not even coming down here. I don't know why, but this is like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 should be like 127 extension of wave 3, which will be way to the upside, right? Is this going to come down? Nope, it's not coming down. I don't know why. It's just stuck. Anyway, so this is what it is. So, like I said, that everybody's surprised. I don't know why, because I said in August that this is the target for wave 4. We're gonna come down, right? It was simple. It's not simple, but yeah, right. So once you learn, it is simple. This is the magic of Elliott wave count. Anyway, so this is what it is, and like I said, that I'll make a new chart and post on my Telegram for my subscribers. That would be some like this, that would be my next, well, the Bitcoin's next move, not mine. And at least it will go back to these highs and make it a like nice head and shoulder pattern, right? That would be a left shoulder here. I would say like LS. That would be too big. Let's say this, something like that. And then this would be head. Whoops, wrong head. All right, and then this would be right here. Whoops. Yes. And that would be, let's say, if it comes down here to this white line and then bounce. Wow, my fib is messed up. So let me get a new one. And so if I get to this white line, and then you can see that this area is coming exactly in between 61 and 78, right? This high right there. Let me just draw. This is the high, right? Or if you talk about this high, you may go to this one, then this would be exactly, well, just below 78%, right? And 61% is nowhere. It's not good. So in between 61 and 78, I would say that it will go back, bouncing from this area, this first line, 66, 5, 66, 8, 57. Let's say 67. So from 67, it can bounce and then go back into this 113, 114 area. Right? So that would be left head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and that's about it. So very easy. I mean, Bitcoin is going according to the wave so perfect that you can predict every move, every single move. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful the rest of the trading week. And if you like what you saw, you want to learn Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, this, that, blah, 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 Fibonacci, how to, measure the Fibonacci tool, and know how to use it exactly properly the way it should be. It's very, very important. Okay, so pay attention to that. So, and then the rest comes easy. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later.